2024 Ram 2500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows. Find your dream car and drive it home today.